In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Thinkorswim Grid. We'll build a clean, flexible, multi-panel layout so you can view multiple charts or trading tools at once without clutter. Start inside the platform and head to the Charts tab along the top. From there, look for the Flexible Grid option at the top of the screen and click it. This switches you into the Flexible Grid Layout mode, where you can design a workspace that fits your workflow, whether that's a handful of charts or a mix of charts and tools. Next, let's shape the grid itself. In the upper right corner of the grid, click the Grid Actions icon, the one that looks like 9 small dots. Turn on Customize Grid. With customization enabled, you'll see controls that let you add and arrange panels. If you want to split a panel horizontally, use Add Below. To create a new column, use Add to the right. If you change your mind or want fewer panels, use Delete Cell to remove the one you don't need. You can also hover between panels and drag the borders to resize them until everything feels balanced. A good tip is to think about which panels deserve more space. Charts and Level 2 often benefit from wider views. Then resize before you add too many cells. Keep the grid simple at first. You can always expand later. With the layout in place, it's time to fill each cell. Click a cell to select it, then open the Symbol Actions menu for that cell. Choose what you want to display. You can load a standard chart if you want price action and indicators. Active Trader is great for quick order entry with depth of market tools. Level 2 shows bid and ask depth by price level. Option Chain is ideal if you're analyzing contracts and expirations. Time and Sales Streams prints in real time, and Dashboard can give you a compact overview of key metrics. Pick the tool that best fits the role of that cell. After you select the gadget, enter the symbol or ticker for that cell. Repeat this for each panel, choosing the gadget type you want and typing the symbol. Take a moment to look at how the information works together. If something feels cramped, return to Customize Grid and drag the borders until the layout breathes. That's the full setup. Open Flexible Grid, customize the grid to match your style, then populate each cell with the right gadget and ticker. With a thoughtful layout, you'll spend less time switching screens and more time making informed decisions.